Hi there, it's Susan Miner, and I'm going to talk today about how I stay slim. That's the question I got, and hopefully you can hear me. The landscapers are outside, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me. Okay, how do I stay slim? It's a lifestyle, right? I think the one thing that people get confused about is between when they're eating, like normal eating, and then their diet, right? It's not how it works for me. It has to be my absolute lifestyle. Oh, here they come. It's getting louder. And so the lifestyle consists of having a real breakfast. So for me, I eat protein at every meal. And if you're a vegetarian or vegan, even including beans or something that has high protein, quinoa, nuts, that kind of stuff, I think can be helpful. Let me just say that this is what I do, and I'm in no way an expert, so you have to do your research. Research for your body type, research for your blood type, even talk to your mom, that sort of thing. And then listen to your body, of course. If you eat something, like I say I have eggs and like spinach and greens and an apple for breakfast, I love it. But if you eat it and it gives you a stomach ache or a headache or it bloats your stomach, then it's not for you, right? So these are just my things. So I eat a real breakfast. Bagels don't count. Bagels are a treat. They're a treat. I was in Dunkin' Donuts recently. Why was I in there? Must have been getting coffee. No, I was getting water. I had to go to the bathroom. We were on a long trip, and I got some water and I had to use the bathroom. And I was looking at the calories. There's more calories in most of the bagels than in the donuts. So you got to keep in mind that kind of stuff. So the white flours, it's not real food. So when I say real food, I mean things that are closest to how God made them, like eggs and all fruits and vegetables. And I eat chicken and turkey, and I eat lamb. So I said that. Protein, I have a few notes. Protein at every meal. I eat my calories. What does that mean? I don't drink my calories. Frappuccinos, no, 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 no. It's a milkshake. Lattes, all that kind of stuff. I drink coffee. I put a little bit of milk in there, goat milk maybe, sometimes almond milk, unsweetened. And I don't even have orange juice, believe it or not. I'll get green juices and like fresh green juices, but I won't drink like your basic apple juice or orange juice from the store, right? It's got so many calories in there, and there's no fat or protein, or most of the time fiber, to kind of balance it. So it hits your body like sugar. So I eat my calories and I don't drink them. I see people getting like iced tea, sweetened iced tea and stuff like that. I'm like, oh God, I'd rather save those calories to eat. Okay. Working out. You have to, right? I work out less and less as I get older. Well, I'm on a maintenance, but I do work out less and less because my body just gets tired. I get too sore, that sort of thing. But it's the consistency for me that works the best. So I work out 5 or 6 days a week. And I used to work out 30 to 45 minutes a day, but now I'm down to 20 to 30 minutes a day. Although last night I went to a hot yoga class with my friend here in downtown Orlando. Oh my God. Yeah, it was hot. Hot, hot, hot. So that was a longer stretch than I usually work out. But that was amazing. So yeah, that's it. Work out consistently. For me, I don't like big, huge workouts, and then because then I'd have to rest a couple days. I'd rather just get in there, work out. I do lift weights. a lot. It's my favorite form of exercise, and it helps me stay slim, because when we have more muscle, it's like our muscle eats the calories. So we have a higher metabolism the more muscle we have. So even when we're sleeping, we're burning more calories. So what do I do? Real breakfast, real food, bagels don't count, protein every meal. For me, you gotta do you, right? I eat my calories. I don't drink them. Frappuccinos are a no, 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 and I work out consistently. So I would encourage you, if you love to walk, do it consistently. I would add some strength training. I'm a big, big fan of weightlifting, so try it out. That's it. So the main idea I want to get across today is that it's a lifestyle. So do I eat ice cream? There's a place in Florida that's new to me. It's called Jeremiah's. Oh my God. My partner calls it Scoop Frogs. One of these days I'm going to forget the name, but it's amazing. I get a small and I get one once in a while. The chips are my favorite thing in the world. So corn chips, that sort of thing. Do I eat those sometimes? Absolutely. Do I have wine sometimes? Absolutely. But other than that, I just eat really healthfully, and it's working for me. That's it. So I'm also wanting to talk about just one thing, and that's our comparison. And when we're comparing ourselves all the time, we feel bad about ourselves. How does that play into this? When we feel bad about ourselves, it's harder for us to make good decisions. You ever notice that? So if you find yourself on social media scrolling, comparing yourself, maybe looking at girls who do bikini, I don't even know what they call them, bikini, social media, whatever. And you're like, well, I don't look that good, or I should be thinner, and all that kind of stuff. Your self-worth just starts to plummet, right? When we compare ourselves, our self-worth plummets. Just encourage you, notice how you're feeling. So if you're on Facebook or whatever it is, Instagram, and you're scrolling and you're starting to feel awful about yourself, pay attention, right? Even Time Magazine, I read an article years ago about social media being a toxic mirror, right? So just be careful, unplug every once in a while. I'm going to do that today. I'm going to have a couple hours. I know where my daughter is. She's safe and sound, happy with her dad, and I'm going to leave my phone at home. And it sounds silly. I'd love to do it for 2 weeks, but even if we do it for 2 hours, it can be amazing, and it can have good effects on us. So that's that. My ideas. You do you. You do your own research. Consider having your healthy way of eating and living your lifestyle, and not just periodically like crash diets and that sort of thing. Yeah. So that's that. I'd love to hear what works for you. And I'd love to hear also what works for you as you're getting older. And if that's changing, am I different in that? So that's it. I talk a lot about this stuff in my book. I have my book here. Peace Inside, Beauty Outside. And it's just what it sounds, how our inner peace enhances our outer beauty. But I do talk about a lot of this stuff. What do I see? Weight. Well, can't talk about beauty without talking about weight. We're American women, right? Vanity. Yep. Sleep. Oh my goodness. Sleep, right? Yeah, a lot of stuff in here. Trying to numb. Are you tired or just fed up? Focus on what's good. Yeah. So if you're interested in how your inner peace affects your outer beauty, then you might check out my book. All right, take care.